Okay guys, I'm going to try to do a couple of examples of some radical equations, and then I'm going to do a second video with a few equations for some, sorry, this is going to be rational equations, and then I'm going to do a couple examples in a next video of radical equations, and then I will try to do a third video with some formulas that you solve for different variables that are either rational or radical. So we'll start out here with these rational equations. We have x minus 8 divided by 3 plus x minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So what I want to look for is what's my LCD, least common denominator. So I have a 3 and a 2. Well, the first number that is a multiple of both 3 and 2 is 6. So I'm going to multiply every term by 6 times 6 and times 6 and times 6. Multiplying by 6 and divided by 3 is like multiplying by 2 because 3 goes into 6 two times. So 2 times x minus 8 would make this first expression 2x minus 16. So this becomes 2x minus 16. 2 will go into 6 three times, so there's now no longer a denominator. It's plus 3 times x minus 3, which would be plus 3x minus 9 equals 0 times 6 is 0. There's not a denominator to cancel anything out there. Combine your like terms. You have 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. Add 25 to both sides. You would get, that would cancel. 5x is equal to 25. So divide by 5, x is equal to 5. Now we just need to make sure that it really works. 5 minus 8 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 3 divided by 2 equals 0. So that'd be negative 3 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 2 equals 0. So negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. That checks out. So x equals 5 is my answer. See how we're doing on time here. Okay, so now let's look at one that's a little bit more complicated. This one, the denominator is x minus 3 for both of them. So if we multiply both sides by that LCD, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, it actually cancels out both denominators. So I just get x squared equals 9. Take the square root of both sides. Remember there's two square roots. I get x is equal to positive and negative 3. Well, they both work up here. Well, 3 squared over 3 minus 3 equals 9 over 3 minus 3. We got a problem. I can't have a 0 on the bottom, so 3 doesn't work. So let's see, negative 3 squared over negative 3 minus 3 equals 9 over negative 3 minus 3. Be 9 over negative 6 equals 9 over negative 6. Negative 1.5 equals negative 1.5. So the only one that works is x equals negative 3. That's the only one. Alright, so let's look at another example. Okay, I'm going to do one more. It's problem 22 out of this section in your book. It's 1 over 3x plus 6 minus 1 over x squared minus 4 equals 3 over x minus 2. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is factor all of this. So I have 3 times x plus 2, that's how that factors, and minus 1 over x plus 2 and x minus 2 equals 3 over x minus 2. So my LCD, when I'm looking for that, is going to be 3 and x plus 2, 2 and x minus 2. So multiply 3 and x plus 2 and x minus 2 for every term. 3, x plus 2, x minus 2, 3, x plus 2, and x minus 2. Parentheses, it's kind of hard to read, sorry for messiness. Alright, so here the x plus 2's cancel and the 3's cancel. So I just have x minus 2 times 1, so it's 1 times x minus 2. I'll do that in the next step. So here the x plus 2's cancel and the x minus 2's cancel. So this just is going to be minus 3 times 1 equals, here the x minus 2's cancel. So it's going to be 3 times x plus 2, or 9 times x plus 2, or 9x plus 18. And this side becomes x minus 2 minus 3, or x minus 5. So I am going to subtract 9x from both sides and add 5. sorry, add 5, and I get negative 8x equals 23. Divide, you get x equals negative 23 over 8. And if you go back and you check that in your answer, use your calculator, it will work out. So my answer here is x equals negative 23 over 8. That's a review of rational equations that we've solved in class, and that should get you through problem 25 on your homework.